Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make this phone controlled fish food dispenser using Nodemcu and some 3D printed parts. To build this project you need Nodemcu, OLED module, stepper motor with driver, breadboard and battery. For the frame I'll be using 3D printed parts, and I have given links to all of the STL files in the description box below. To print this, I'll be using PLA filament. After this is complete, you can upload the code to ESP8266 board. Codes are given in the description box below. To build the circuit connection, you can refer to this circuit diagram. Assemble all the parts as shown in this video. Now to use this project, connect Nodemcu to USB power and stepper to additional battery source. In the OLED you can see connection status, and after successful connection you can see the IP address. Open browser on your phone and connect to this IP address, and you will see a panel to control the stepper motor. Use accordingly as per your requirements. That was all about this project. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.